500,000 new Spanish citizens to embark. As you know, we could really ask the Spanish government how many of those 500,000 are seafarers, and probably we would get a very nice reply like, I don't even know how many we are going to get, and when and how, what rank, what nationality, and why you go and ask and make a queue, go there somewhere and make a queue and ask. Well, we already asked this AI, and AI says, oh, that's a very nice question, Jose. Okay, thank you very much indeed. So, the reply is 1,500, 3,000 merchant seafarers, welcome to Spain, welcome to Europe. Now, what opportunities? Italian flag. Cuba, Argentina are endorsed. Also, we get this Egypt and Ukraine and many other countries. I will enclose the list for the Italian flag. It's not necessarily English, it's Italiano, parlare Italiano, full Italian crew. And the systems, junior officers 3,400, 3,300, and also ABs 3,100. Why such a little gap? Because within Europe, we don't have ratings, and we have plenty of junior officers. Simple, and this is the collective bargaining agreement. You have the Italian grants, Social Security, and then 3,200 we have the plumber, the fitter, the electrician, and if you don't have experience on board the rubber cargo ships, you can start 2,200, even though it's very hard, but you can apply if you are also a new European. Then we have the Belgium and French flag, LPG and LNG. Apply urgently. Tu parles français? C'est très important de parler français. Si tu connais pas les pays, que c'est possible, les titres à l'endorsement de la France et Belgique. Study. I will enclose here the list also, and then we have a Dutch flag. Dutch flag is more for Peru. Then we have Jamaica, Chile, Brazil, just in memory, and some few more countries. Like please, I will enclose also this new list because every country in Europe has a different endorsement certificates. It's like, wow, why people just get really zero surgical doctors because, you know, they need the right paper. You see, this is how Europe is working. It's really a waste of time, these governments. And then how many of those 1,500, 3,000 have this certificate of chief engineer or of captain? Imagine if we had 150,000 chief engineers, then the world fleet would be European. But, you know, these politicians, they don't know how to use this. This is called the calculator intrinsic value, one chief engineer perpetual, and so on. So we could generate 4 million jobs. But anyways, if you're one of those 500,000, even Pakistan for these flags, and then we have the Spanish flag, the Malta, the Cyprus, and the Madeira, and the ships sort shipping host conditions, 50% must be European. So each company has a different wage scales and terms and conditions, depending whether it is general cargo and so on, and the ferry, fast ferry, and so on. If you have experience, apply urgently. Thank you very much for your time. I hope that I really have synthesized all this information, but just ask below whatever questions you have, and we will reply fast as we can, because this summer is going to be a huge opportunity, because Europe, everybody is retiring, and we don't have any European crews at all. I hope one day the governments will start asking, well, what if we had all the chief engineers and the captains of this planet? Jose mentioned 150,000. Well, then the fleet is ours. Thank you, bye. Apply urgently.